got my chair, and let's start in the front. So I'm pretty excited. This is the second time I rebuilt this carburetor. First time was with my daughter. She was about 8 years old, so that had to be at least 12 years ago.
It's all about variety. Variety of the 70s, 80s, and more.
No, that's one.
Real River, 1059. More coming up next. Tickets are on sale now for our 2019 iHeartRadio Music Festival. The annual gathering in Las Vegas to celebrate the biggest artists in music. Starring Alicia Keys, Casey Evans, Camila Cabello, Chance the Rapper, Def Leppard, French Montana, Halsey, Heart, Her, Miley Cyrus, Mumford & Sons, and McGraw, Zach Brown Band, all on one stage over 2 nights. Performances you've never seen before and will never see again. A once-in-a-lifetime event.
Okay, now I gotta take the rattle plate off.
Through AXS.com.
Oh,
AXS.com. There's nothing like it anywhere in the world. You do not want to miss our 2019 iHeartRadio Music Festival. This report is sponsored by Premier Subaru of Brantford. 61 traffic.
So let me take the choke off.
We're still heavy though in the downtown from just southwest Hartford, the westbound side. It's slow from 54 straight out to 41 South Main Street. We're tied up in the westbound side of Route 2 for exit 4 coming into I-84, while the eastbound side of Route 2 is still past 5C Maple Street.
3 screws.
We've got delays not even north Weathersfield to Hartford, southbound slow Windsor through Weathersfield. I'm Rachel Lutzford.
This month at Premier Subaru in Brantford, we have special summer pricing on the 2019 Subaru Outback and the 2019 Subaru Impreza. To see all of our current specials, go to buy@premier.com. See dealer for complete details.
The price and value of Crowley Kia during the summer sticker sales event that rates as low as 0% for 66 months for well-qualified buyers. Visit Crowley Kia on the new Route 72 Bristol or CrowleyAuto.com. I'm Ken Crowley.
You don't know.
I'm happy. I want to know.
With Dunkin' Go-Tos, you can get a great deal on 2 of your favorites, like 2 egg and cheese wraps for $2, 2 bagels with cream cheese spread for $4, and 2 bacon, egg, and cheese croissants for $5. In my opinion, it's a pretty tough deal to beat. That's my go-to sense. America runs on Dunkin'. Participation may vary. Limited time offer. Exclusions apply.
What do Miguel, Trevor Noah, Stacey Abrams, and Malcolm Gladwell all have in common? They'll be at Ozzy Fest. Join me, Carlos Watson, the co-founder of Ozzy, and come listen to music, comedy, and conversations featuring John Legend, Arizona, Mark Cuban, Rachel Ray, and many, many more. July 20th and 21st in sunny Central Park. Get your tickets today, OzzyFest.com, and enter code Radio5 to get 5% off the checkout. Ozzy Fest. Indulge your curiosity.
All right, the sun's out, the Pepsi's flowing, and summer's calling our name. Got any ideas?
Sun's out, buns out?
So, a backyard barbecue. That could work. All right, to grab some.
Let's me away.
Okay, the beach sounds good too.
Stop, drop, roller coaster.
Fine, the amusement park it is.
I'll be back.
My boat? But I asked what you wanted to. Are you just reading off the Pepsi Summergram labels?
Yes, BF.
I'll meet you at the car. And don't forget the cooler of Pepsi.
Wherever summer takes you, make it the best one ever with a delicious, refreshing Pepsi. Pepsi Summer Brand. Grab it, cram it, live it. Grab summer by the bottle with Pepsi Summer Brand. Just head to your local Stop and Shop and pick up specially marked 20-ounce bottles of Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, or Pepsi Zero Sugar. Get 2 for $4. Scan codes to add a summer surprise to your Instagram stories with exclusive filters and stickers.
You've tried the rest. Now try the best. Best speeds. Download the 5-star rated puzzle game for free on your mobile or tablet.
Okay,
Best
so
friends without the R. Best
see here there is a gasket and it was in place, so I'm happy about that. Let's just see if it goes through. You gotta get a straight
Bristol Health
profile.
is advancing primary and specialty care right in your community. With an innovative team who will help you heal faster so you can live healthier. And care centers where you're treated like family. Bristol Health is a complete healthcare system, integrated to get you back on your feet sooner. Come experience all the ways that Bristol Health is caring today for your tomorrow.
Yeah, so it looks like it goes in.
Visit bristolhealth.org to learn more today.
Hi, I'm Stephen Cates. I'm here with my sister Margie, owners of National Building Products in East Hartford.
Very exciting that we're having this grand opening Friday and Saturday with special pricing.
I went out and got this huge stack of gift cards for the coffee and donut store next door.
I don't think you're gonna have enough.
I hope you're right. It's part of the hole in my pocket. I can't wait to get rid of those cards.
When you come to our grand opening at National Building Products in East Hartford this Friday and Saturday, go look for Stephen. He's the one with the gift cards.
I just want you to know that if you haven't come down to National Building Products, the grand opening on Friday and Saturday, that's the time to be here. We've been in business 85 years, but it's always exciting opening.
Okay, so there's
So much fun.
National-BP
6 screws on the throttle, body on the bottom. One loose one. Two loose ones.
Cool drive, take me out of style. Hey, Joe Miriam here from Key Cars. Get a home run in a nice
Three.
newer car and get way more than Kelly Blue Book value for your old ride. The more you buy, the more you get for your trade. We have new Hyundais in Manchester and Milford and new Chevrolets at Key Chevrolet in Middletown.
So there actually is 3 other holes, but I don't think they go through or do anything. People talk about it, but
Cars everywhere. So get your old ride and get
One,
way more than it's
two,
worth. Worry
three.
about it, right? We have a team to help get you approved. Do you think your car's strike 1? Repair bills out of left field, strike 2. Strike 3 is out of here. Because right now you can
these
get
screws,
way more than
6 of them go for $20.
the more car you buy, the more you get for your trade. But hurry, this game's over once we've helped 230 people put money in the bench.
You can't buy them anywhere else except Holley.
That's keycars.com. I'm Jill Marion, and I'm a dealer for the people.
The daily grind to and from work can be stressful. It's Rachel Lusker, and I want to let you know that CT Rides is here to help you drive alone a little less and do a little more for your health, your wallet, and your planet. Visit ctrides.com today. That's CTRIDS.com.
Whether you want to bid on or just
Well,
check out the
there's one more screw here.
You won't want to miss Barrett Jackson's 4th annual Northeast Auction. Join us at Mohegan Sun June 26th to preview the cars on Family Value Day. With
Whoa, see that? That was pretty quick.
29th. This automotive lifestyle event features hundreds of vehicles crossing the auction block. A huge variety of interactive activities, exhibitors, food vendors. There's something for the entire family. Visit BarrettJackson.com to register to bid, purchase tickets, and more.
Black Eyed Salad is teaming up with Fish in the River 105.9 Friday.
It looks like it's adjusted pretty good. I mean,
Come Thursday and enjoy Line Kugels on our Shady Drops for $4. Live music from the Dave Matthews Tribute Band, the DMB Project, and entry for your chance.
Alright, I need to take a break.
Every half hour. $3.50 asylum.